Hello children. Good morning everybody. How are you? Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the previous class we have started the second lesson. No? What is our lesson name? Teeth and microbes. In the last class I have said you about two sets of teeth, that is about temporary teeth, permanent teeth, and types of the permanent teeth, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay. Now in this class we shall move to next topic, that is what structure of the tooth, means how our tooth will be there. See, this is the figure of the tooth. It will consist of how many parts and how they will be there. Everything we shall learn in detail. Okay. A tooth is having how many parts? Two parts. Okay. Tooth will, this is the structure of the tooth. No, like this only our teeth will be there. No, mainly it will have how many parts? Means two parts. What are they? Crown, root. Okay, this upper one is there, see in a white color we can see. No, this is the first part, that is crown. Next one is root. This is the root. So I am writing here, see, this is one part, this is second part, 1 and 2. It consists of the two parts. Now first we shall learn about this crown. What is this crown? See, up when we open our mouth we can see, from outside onwards white color, every tooth will be there. No, that is only crown, which we can see, which is visible to us. Visible means what? Which we can see. Not visible means we can't see. This crown part, up white color one will be there. No, that is only crown and we can see it. When you open your mouth, when you laugh, every time we can see our teeth. No, the upper part which we can see only is called as the crown. What will this crown have? This one is there. No, this whole border outer side it is there. Now how it is there? White color it is there and it is very hard and it will be shining. No, yes or no? Shiny and white, yes or no? This one only is called as the enamel. Okay, this part is called crown, which is visible to us. Here this white color teeth is there. No, this will be very hard and it will be shining. However, teeth will be there white color, it will be shining. No, so this shiny white color particle only is called as the enamel. Okay, what is this? Enamel. Here they have written, see, shiny white enamel. Why this enamel is useful for us? Means it will protect the inner parts of the teeth. This is outside onwards which we can see. No, here inner this root hole we can't see, it will be there inside our gums, we can't see. So this white enamel outside which is present in the crown will protect this whole tooth. That means it will protect the whole root of the tooth. That is the purpose of the crown. Did you understood what I told? Tooth will have two parts, one is crown, second is the root. Why this crown is useful? Means this crown will consist the outside very hard and shiny name called as the enamel. Okay, this enamel will protect the inner part of the tooth, that is root. This crown is visible or not visible to us? Visible. That means we can see the crown part. Okay, next moving to the second part, that is root. Can we see this root? No, we can't see this root. Inside it will be there, but we can't see that. Where it is present? Means it is present in the jawbone. Here it is there, see, jawbone. We will have upper jaw and lower jaw, no children. Okay, in this jawbone this root will be present. What this root we shall what this root will do we shall see now. Okay, it will hold the tooth in the jaw. Okay, our teeth all are there like that only, stiff, without moving that side and this side. Why? Because of the roots. Suppose if we take plants also, if roots are stronger only, that plant will be stiff like that without going that side and this side. Similarly in the teeth also, if the root is proper only, the teeth can be straight like that only. Okay, it will hold the tooth in the jaw. Where this root will be there? Means you should say in the jawbone this root will be present. Okay, how this tooth will be there? You say, see this tooth structure, how it is there? Say it is hollow. Hollow means లోతుగా అంటాం కదా నాన్న, ఇట్లా లోతుగా ఉంది చూడండి. ఓకే, దిస్ టూత్ విల్ బి hollow from inside and has soft tissues and nerves. Nerves means what I told? నరాలు అంటాం కదా, that one. Tissues means what? You know that. Okay, what will be there in this? The root, this will have the tissues and the nerves. You all know that each and every body is made up of the cells, right? If we combine the cells, what will get? Tissue. If we combine tissue, we'll get organ. If we combine organs, we'll get organ system. That all in the last year only I have discussed many times, we have learned in the class. Yes or no? This root, what is that? We can't see that, it is not visible to us, and where it is present means you should say in the jawbone. And how this teeth is there? It is hollow from inside. Hollow means lotuga untadi, okay na? And it will have what? It will have the nerves and the tissues, okay? And this soft part is there, no, in middle. How soft it is there? See, at the center, this is called as what? Pulp. See, here they have written soft pulp, which is present in the middle of the tooth, which is very soft. This is called as the soft pulp, children, okay? By this we have completed crown and root, that means parts of the tooth. Once again I am revising. See what we have learned. The structure of a tooth. Tooth will have mainly two parts. First one is crown, second one is the root. This crown we can see, it is visible to us. Root, but we cannot see, it is not visible to us. Okay, crown means what? The upper, outer layer, which will be white color. This hard outer covering which is shining is called as the enamel. What will this enamel do? Means it will protect our root of the tooth. Okay, inside part hole, it will, this enamel will protect. Now moving to the second part, what? Root. It will be where it will be present means in the jawbone, but we can't see this root. It is not visible to us. Okay, where it is there means in the jawbone it will be present, and it will be holding the tooth in the jaw. Okay, in this jaw only how this tooth is fixed. See, for that purpose this root is used. Okay, if the root is there only our teeth will be properly fixed. And how this tooth is there? It is hollow from inside, and it also contains the soft tissues and nerves. Okay, and this middle part is there, no, at the center. What is this soft part called as? Means pulp. Okay, this soft part which is present at the center of the teeth is called as the soft pulp. Okay children, this is about the structure of the teeth. Now we shall move to the next topic. Once wait children, I am zooming it. Okay, now see here. I told now the soft pink fleshy part that we see around the teeth is called as the gum. It helps to keep our teeth in the place. Okay. Gums means what I told? Chigullu. Okay, pink color they will be there, no, like yes or no, how soft it will be there, so sensitive they will be there. Those will be pink in color. Those are only called as gums. Why these are useful for us? Means they will keep our teeth in the right place. Okay, here they have given some bits, right? First one is what? A newborn baby has dash teeth. How many teeth will a newborn baby will have, children? No teeth. So you should write here NO. No, newborn baby will not have any teeth. Next, coming to the next one. A 4-year-old child is likely to have dash teeth. Okay, for 4-year child, how many teeth will be there? Nearly 20. Yes or no? Next, a 27-year-old man is likely have dash teeth. 27 years means he became an adult, no, means he became big, no. At the age of 21 years only they will get nearly all the 32 teeth. He is 27 years means he also will have 32 teeth. If he is having any tooth problem, 1 or 2 he may lose, then he may have 30 like that. Okay, if there is no problem, he will have all the 32 teeth. Okay, next second question is what? How many of the following do you have in the total? I told no, in the types of permanent teeth, incisors are how many, canines are how many, premolars are how many, and molars are how many? Okay, I told for you incisors how many are there. I am writing here. See, incisors will be 8. Okay, premolars also 8. No, remember this friends. See, incisors and premolars both are same. Incisors will be 8 only, premolars will be 8 only. Next, canines how many I told? 4 will be there. Canines are 4. Molars are 12. Molar teeth, last one, 12. Okay. Now, Now moving to the next topic. Now we have learned about all the types of permanent teeth and the structure of the teeth. No, now we shall learn how to take care of our teeth. Okay, how will you take care of your teeth? Why these teeth are useful? If you are eating anything, you need your teeth. Yes or no? With the help of your teeth only you will chew the food, you will bite the food. Yes or no? You will make the food into paste and later it will be useful for the digestion purpose. Yes or no? In your face, your attraction part is also what? Teeth only. If you open your mouth, first your teeth only will be seen. If they are nicely white and shiny only, it will be good. Yes or no? If they are dirty, how it will be there? See, we cannot see only. Yes or no? So that much important teeth is there. Then how to take care of this teeth we shall learn here. See, our teeth help us to bite, tear, grind and chew our food. Yes or no, children? With the help of the teeth we will bite the food, tear the food, grind the food and chew our also food. Okay, we should keep them clean and healthy to avoid the dental problems like bad breath, toothache and cavity. Okay, if you have not kept your teeth properly, if you have not brushed regularly morning and evening, what will happen? You will get all the teeth problems. Then that time you will be needed to go to dentist. Yes or no? That time dentist will remove your tooth, again you will get many problems. So first only if you brush properly, you will not get all these diseases like what? Bad breath, toothache and cavity. Cavity ante పుచ్చిపోవడం నాన్న, పళ్ళు పుచ్చిపోవడం అంటాం కదా. ఇన్ దిస్ ఆల్సో స్మాల్ క్యావిటీ విల్ బి దేర్, లార్జ్ క్యావిటీ విల్ బి దేర్. సి హియర్ స్మాల్ క్యావిటీ హౌ మచ్ డ్యామేజ్, it is damaged some part only. In large cavity so much of the part of the tooth is damaged. This one. Okay, suppose if you have not take care of your teeth, what will happen? They may decay and fall. Okay, all they will become puchipai one after one. You will be losing your tooth. Okay, that's why you should brush your teeth daily, morning and evening. Next, when we eat any food item, some food particles may get stick between our teeth. Brushing our teeth removes these food particles as well as any germ that may breeding on it. If we do not brush, the germs change the sugar in food into acid. This acid sticks to our mouth as a paste-like material called plaque. It can weaken the enamel and make small holes or cavities in it. Means what? See, every day you will eat some or the other food. If you are, while you are eating food, after completion of eating the food, if you have not done brush, what will happen? All that food particles may go and stuck in your mouth. If you sleep like that only, what will happen? All that germs will be there. No, the germs, what will happen means they will change, some sugar will be present in that. That sugar whichever is present in the food will change into an acid. Okay, what will this acid do now? It will get sticks to our teeth like that only. Okay na, పేలిపోయి దానికి అతుకుపోయి ఉంటుంది మొత్తం. And that only, that material only is called as what? Plaque. It will be like paste like material. This whole acid will be changed into like this material called as what? Plaque. This is important. PLAQUE. Okay, that time what will happen? Your enamel is there, no, upper part white color I told, no, that will be spoiled. If enamel is spoiled, what will happen? Inside your root also will get spoiled. Yes or no? Enamel only will protect whole the inner part of your tooth. So that's why without getting the, when the food gets stuck into your mouth, before becoming all those only, what you should do, you should, if you brush your teeth properly in the morning and evening, you will not get all the diseases. Okay, that much important this tooth is. Okay, next, moving to the next point. Calcium and vitamin C are important for keeping teeth and gums healthy. Yes or no? If you eat the food which consists of calcium, milk, eggs, if you take daily, what will happen? Your teeth will be very strong. That's why your mother gives you milk daily. Why? Because morning, you are the growing children, you should drink milk every day. If you eat the if you drink the milk daily and if you eat the milk products only, your teeth will be strong. Okay, from today onwards, if you are not drinking milk or you are not eating the products which come from milk, you can eat, you should eat daily. Okay, and brush your teeth also twice, morning and evening. Night while sleeping also you should brush, and along with that you should take all the vitamin C fruits. Vitamin C means what I told? sour fruits, pulpu fruits antam kadana, orange, guava, tomato, all the types of fruits you should eat so that your teeth and gums, that is chigullu, okay, they will be strong and healthy. And also see, milk and milk products like curd and cheese are rich sources of the calcium. This calcium, I told no, this curd, cheese will be present in the calcium, so you should take this food, means what, in the food curd and cheese which consists, you should eat. And eating fruits and salads also helps in keeping our teeth healthy. Along with the calcium and vitamin C foods, if you take different fruits and salads, they also keeps your teeth healthy. Okay, now moving to the next page. Tips for taking care of tooth. I will zoom it. Now can you see? See friends, till now what we have learned, how to take care of our teeth. Now they have given us some tips how to take care of your teeth. How will you take care? First point is you should brush properly. Yes or no? Morning and evening I told no how to brush everything they have given here, you see. See, we should, 1 minute. We should make following habits as a part of our life so that we can use our teeth throughout our life. Okay, if all the habits what here they have given, if you follow them, your tooth will be strong and healthy forever, okay, in your entire life. What are the points we shall see now? First one is what? Brush your teeth twice a day to remove bits of food particles that may got stuck between the teeth. Just now I told no, every day you should brush your teeth twice, means what? 2 times, morning and night while sleeping, so that whatever food gets stuck in your teeth, we can remove them by brushing the teeth. See how they, here they have given how to brush once. Top insides, bottom insides, chewing surfaces, outsides, in all these ways you should brush. Morning time, simply if you brush from outside onwards come means no. Okay, all sides, inside, outside, okay, all chewing places, everything you should brush properly. Okay, now moving to the second point. Second point is what, friends? Avoid using pointed objects to clean the gaps between your teeth. Use floss instead. Means what? Some what they will do without knowing all, they'll keep the safety pins and different pins and keep in the middle of their teeth for removing the food particles or anything which stuck between them. If you do like that, your teeth will spoil. What you should do, instead of that toothpicks you will have, no, you can use them. Okay, whatever you want you should not use. Next, third point, rinse your mouth after every meal. Okay, rinse ante enna pukkiliyadam. Okay, before after eating every meal you should do that. Then only whatever is stuck in your mouth or everything will be gone. Okay, next step, clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner daily. Daily after completing your brushing, what you should do, you should clean your tongue with the help of the tongue cleaner every day. Next is what? Eat fruits, vegetables, nuts and milk products regularly. Okay, fruits, vegetables, nuts, means badam, pista, all those you will eat, no, that nuts you should eat. And milk products means whatever products we get from the milk, like butter, cheese, paneer, ghee, all those you should take every day. Next, avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Okay, why should we avoid eating more chocolates and sweets? Means I told you that sugar will be changed into acid and whole that will be forming as a plaque. The paste material like plaque, it will be formed and your teeth will be affected, spoiled very fastly. That's why how in limit you should eat the sweets and chocolates. More and more you should not eat the food which contains the sugar like sweets and chocolates, cookies or anything. Next, drink lots of water every day. Okay, for keeping your teeth properly you should drink lots of water. Many water you should take daily, at least 1.5 liter to 2 liters water you should drink per day. Next, last point is what? visit a dentist regularly for checkups. Okay, your teeth are there properly or not, for that you should go and visit the dentist regularly. Okay, now here some activities given, we shall see. Wait. Wait, friends. Here you see 4 questions they have given. First question is what, friends? Number of permanent teeth in a human adult. Okay, adult means what? Who became big persons. How many permanent teeth will we have? 32. Okay, all the adults will have how many teeth? 32. Next one is what? Another name for temporary teeth. Temporary teeth can also be called as what I told? Milk teeth. Okay, MILK, milk teeth. Next one is what? Permanent teeth at the far end of the jaws. Permanent teeth, how many will be there total? 32. In that at last end of the jaws, what will be there? They are asking. Last end, what will be there? Daudapallantam gandana, molars. How many will be there? Molars? 12. 6 will be there in the upper jaw. 6 will be there in the lower jaw. Total 6 plus 6, how many are there? 12 will be there. Next, last question is what? The hard white substance that covers the tooth. What is the hard white substance that covers the tooth? I told in tooth 2 parts will be there. Crown, that is visible to us, root which is not visible to us. Crown we can see. That whiter substance outside one is called as what I told for you? Enamel. Okay, spelling what? ENAMEL. Okay, enamel. This is the answer. Now one more topic is there about microbes. We shall learn that one in the next class. Okay, see here one picture is there, I'll show you. In this picture what is there, friends? Nothing is there. In the olden days, instead of using toothbrush, what they used to use? Neem one stems will be there, neem twigs, చిన్న చిన్న బ్రాంచ్ అవి ఉంటాయి కదా నాన్న, వేప పుల్లలు తీసుకొని తోముతాం కదా. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఓల్డెన్ డేస్ దట్ ఓన్లీ నీమ్ ట్విగ్స్ ఓన్లీ వీ యూస్ టు take and we brush our teeth. Now also in some, like in villages they will use, but mostly all in the cities and towns they are using the brushes only. Okay, but olden days they used to use the neem twigs only instead of the toothbrush. Why? Because whatever germs are there, it will kill. That's why they used to use that. Okay, this one, what this pic is there, you see. In this pic what is there? See, tooth one set she kept. No, dentist what they will do, suppose if there any gaps are there in the between the teeth, and if they are not even, okay, fall are not in a proper order, one is like this, one is zigzag, means dentist what they will do, they will keep these clips or braces for keeping them all straightly and even. For keeping all the two straightly and filling the gaps in the middle, dentist will use the this what? Braces or the teeth set. Okay, by this we completed this till this topic, children. In the next class I will say one more small topic is there about microbes. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can put in the comment box. Where you have got stuck, again go back and listen the video. If you listen again and again, you can understand it clearly. Okay friends, thank you. Stay at home and be safe. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.